Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My people, how many of now remember when Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water they use hand, they hit her chest, say nothing they happen. Say may Edoshi enemy will come down. My people, many things happen behind closed door when una no even get idea of. There is a reason why me Edoche is rejoicing. There is a reason why me Edoche they celebrate. Only if you people know the battle when me Edoche battle. When me Edoche lost her son, the first suspect was that me Edoche was sleeping around with different men, which all of you had already heard that story. They tried to pin the ROIP of Kambele on the mother. They tried to pin the ROIP of Kambele on me Edoche. Only they can't still go waka. They can't tell them say me Edoche hands are clean. Say if there is anybody they need to ask question, it should be Amobingo and his so-called woman when they in life. When they can't tell grandpapa, the grandpapa can't go silent. They not can't rise the matter up again. These were the same people that were asking Mary Edoche to come down to the village. May she can't swear. Now Mary Edoche say, even if the earth touch the sky, or even if heaven come down, she's not going to swear anything. They don't already they use that one till they drag her before the truth come aside. Meanwhile, during that time, Judy Austin was on social media trying to tell the world that it is the abomination that Mary Edoche committed when she go London. Na by her son. So this whole thing, Mary Edoche, all those times when Yul Edochie don already come outside, come dey dance on the social media. Mary Edoche was going through the loss of her son. At the same time, she was being dragged into what she knows nothing about. Glory be to God. God can't stand by me, Edoche. The truth later came out. But they never told me, Edoche, when the truth come aside. They not gonna tell me, Edoche, say, now their son and now they see for waiting happen to Kambele. That is not the reason why we are here. You know, I need to refresh your memory because before we did talk some kind of things, some people will say, why bringing it up again? Why doing this? Why doing that? I'm bringing it up so that you people will remember, especially there are some things that a lot of people do not know that May Edoche went through because of this ROIP of her son. After they don't do burial, do everything for Kambele finish. Kambele clothes, shoes and everything. May Edoche, if you see those things, she go dey cry. If you see his shoe, he go cry. If you see his clothes, he go cry. Anything about Kambele wey you see, she go dey cry. They have to close Kambele room, turn it to something else. Then they come pack all Kambele clothes, shoes and everything. They can't go hide them because of May Edoche. But May Edoche tell them say, nobody should sell or throw away any property of Kambele. Make they keep them for them. It's a part of our memory. Now, so they can't pack everything. Where May Edoche eye no go to see all these things. They can't go hide them. Now, after they can't go hide all these things, there was a day May Edoche say, may she still go check the pictures of her son. Normally, according to what we hear, May Edoche have not healed from the ROIP of her son. If anybody tell you say May Edoche don't heal, she don't move on. Foul. Capital letter of L-I-E, lie. May Edoche, there are times she broke down, she cried, especially when she gets to see things relating to Kambele me Edoshe go break down, she go dey cry. So me Edoshe come say make he go Kambele room that very day because all Kambele pictures, everything they don't remove and come off for ground. Now me Edoshe come say make he go where they put Kambele things, make him go still check. You know, no be say she get wetin she wan use dem do. She just want to go and feel her eyes. She want to get that memory. She just maybe missing her son. She just want to see him with his pictures, his clothes, remembering something like that. As me Edoshe enter there, all Kambele clothes are gone. Kambele clothes, shoe, they don't go. Me Edoshe shock. Now me Edoshe come begin dey call the Daniela. They call her family members when they come stay with and say, what happened to Kambele cloth? Now they say they inside there. Me Edoshe say no see am. Now Kambele cloth they come fine. They not see the cloth of this boy. Cloth and shoe, they not see. They come call her Mobingo. They come ask her Mobingo say, Kambele cloth and shoe you carry, they find her, they not see. Her Mobingo say no see o. He say he not touch and he not see am. Me Edoshe come dey surprised. In short, me Edoshe and her children were surprised. Is it that Kambele spirit come pack a cloth? Nobody carry the cloth. They not see anybody carry cloth. The cloth just vanish. So me Edoshe and her children come say, I been at this boy spirit come pack cloth. That was their only thought. Because who won't go enter house go carry Kambele cloth? Yo Edoshe say no touch. Your mama no touch. The Daniela no touch. Who can carry her? So that was how they can't just take and say. That was how they just can't take and say. Maybe now the boy spirit come pack a cloth. Who know? Because the way the cloth disappear with shoes is strange. Now only pictures. Some pictures were missing, but pictures were still there. So now that picture, now me Edoshe come pack all the picture where they there. Be that now those pictures now I can't remain, come pack up, come go put them for inside a room. My people, there is time for everything. Anybody where they do bad, where they feel say nothing they happen. The day where it go happen, the day where it go happen, the person should pray, make it know where a problem for the come. Because sometimes when the thing will start to happen, many people, they not come they understand where their problem for the come. Now I make you they see many people they say my village people, my village people, my village people. Person where village people they worry not for eat 3 times a day. If your village people concentrate on any, if village people concentrate on anybody, that person cannot eat 3 times a day because they owns you. It be like say your owner is controlling you. That is village people, especially paternal side. Maternal side not to get power over you. You see your paternal side. That is where your root today. It be like your placenta. Even if they get anywhere where they put on, that your placenta spiritually, it did that place. So when this evil though they worry them, some of them they say, now my village people, now my papa brother, now my papa sister. Have you asked yourself whether you spoil person home, whether you offend somebody, whether somebody cried because of you? Jujuekwe Ensu son. When the Jujuekwe Ensu romasi mami water. The same cloth where me Edoshe they find years back. They don't gather cloths. Say make Daniela come carry cloths. My people, things they happen. Your Edoshe called Daniela. Tell Daniela say, there is this clothes of Kambele when you walk on give you, may you carry. Go ask. Daniela see the message as he hear Kambele. Now he call the papa back. Say, what kind of message did you send? Edoshe say, Kambele clothes and shoe. And he won't return her. He won't give Daniela. make Daniela go keep am for inside the room when they put am. So make Daniela tell am how 12 dem fit take see. Make he carry those clothes and shoes of Kambili give Daniela. Make Daniela go drop am for where they keep am. Now Daniela ask the papa say, how you take get Kambili clothes and shoe? How it take reach your hand? Now Amubingo tell his daughter say, what kind of question is that? Is he not the father of Kambili? Why will you be asking him how he take get the clothes? It is something that they don't explain to guests. These are men talking. Something happened traditionally which you are not supposed to know. The only thing you are supposed to do now, tell him where he will meet you, may drop this cloth. Make you for keep am back for where the for take am. Now Daniela tell the papa, say, Papa, you go carry cloth, they go. You go carry that cloth, they go. They no need them. Where you say me they keep am? Cloth where they don't know how you take carry. Now you return cloth, come give them. Say me they go keep am. The time where they find this cloth and shoe, what did you say? You say you don't know where cloth dey, you don't know where shoe dey, you not touch am, you not see am. How come the cloth and shoe come dey your hand now? How come? Yul Edochie say it's something tradition which Daniela no need to ask question. The important thing now say the cloth don't come. Now Daniela say that one a story. They no need that cloth. Now so Yul Edochie come dey beg Daniela. Say me Daniela no dey do like this. It's the cloth, the shoe that they find us is there. Now the shoe and the cloth don't come outside. Carry this thing and go and drop it there. You say you people don't need it again. Who told you you don't need it? Now Daniela say they don't need it. Say lie, they don't need them. Now so Daniela rejects the cloth and shoe for Yul Edochie hand. As I dey talk to una, so the cloth and shoe of Kambili when he don't buy since how many years is with Amubingo. They say Amubingo when they ask say, Oga, did you carry these clothes? He say no. Automatically now the clothes are with Amubingo. Hey, wonder they say shall never end. My people, according to what we dey hear behind closed door, these same clothes and shoe, after Kambili passed on, Ekwe romance mami water. He say make Amubingo go pack Kambili clothes and shoe come. Make a come give his son. Instead of those clothes to be wasting. Now Amubingo take go pack all Kambili clothes and shoe. He can't give Ekwe romance mami water son. As Ekwe romance mami water son, now those clothes now they wear those shoes. Meanwhile, during the time when Kambili buy, Ekwe romance mami water can't tell Amubingo, make it they call his son Kambili, make it forget his son. There is nothing this desperate side chick cannot do. Now Amubingo, now they can't carry those clothes, give Juju Ekwesu's son. Juju Ekwesu's son can they wear Kambili shoe, wear Kambili clothes. Meanwhile, traditionally, as Kambili passed on, those clothes, now junior brothers, now them suppose carry the clothes. Now they suppose inherit the property. As they do on tradition. Even if na barrel, even if na chingom, even if na sweet, traditionally, what they did not give to you, what the elders did not give to you from the late person from the elder, if you touch them, there are consequences. Juju Ekwesu carry clothes, carry shoe. You won't do exchange with somebody we don't buy. He wants Amubingo to dey see his son like Kambili. Before he tell Amubingo say they call my son Kambili, he do already use his son to replace the position of Kambili. And Amubingo was calling Juju Ekwesu's son Kambili. That is how far they go about this matter. For these years, this boy dey wear this boy cloth, dey wear this boy shoe. Until, according to wetin they talk, some things were going wrong with Mr. Obasi's son. The boy dey behave strange. They do all the children wey Juju Ekwesu born, all of them get problem. All of them. Mr. Obasi, concentrate on those children. When your wife will be saying not cheat on you, e not put hand for evil thing born for you. Concentrate on those children. May you train those children properly. You see this side. Ekwesu Romasi Mami Water don't condemn your children for here. This boy thief, now the thief. Go they do different kind of baba things. He join wetin that they call her, no one call the name. That's the way that they join. He join her. Only one the thief. Only one they all kind of bad thing. Any bad thing where young pikin where they grow come they join. That boy they all. Boy can misbehave. According to them, they say now so the boy they do anyhow. Until the boy leg can they swell up. Juju Ekwesu son, the leg can they swell up. As the leg they swell up, now they carry the leg go hospital. I think he say maybe he break am. They reach hospital, they say they treat am. They say they not see any bone where he break. Maybe he sleep, he twist the leg. Say he not get any broken bone. They can't give the cream, maybe they rub put, give them oil, maybe they say they do massage for the leg. They reach as the leg no heal. So they went traditional. The tradition where they go treat am. Now there now they say this leg no need treatment. Say your son inherits the property of somebody when he buy. And that person get junior brother and junior. That person get junior brothers where they are in position to inherit the person property. They can't carry that person property now, can't give your son. Now that clothes, shoe where your son they wear, now they destroy your son life. You know, say as your son they behave anyhow, so go thief come, and if the whole line go just strong with face as if the people where go thief, as if na in they right, then the people where go thief, they wrong. Now they call tell Juju Ekwesu say those clothes and shoe of person where don't buy late person clothes and shoe. When our son they wear, make they go return everything. Make they make sure say they return am. Make they not throw away am. If they throw away am, the problem will be times 10. Make they make sure say they return am back to where they for collect am. Make Juju Ekwesu Romasi Mami Water son for dey okay. Now so Juju Ekwesu Romasi Mami Water come true to am. Juju Ekwesu Romasi Mami Water come gather the cloth. Now he take call Amobingo, tell Amobingo, say, see wetin they tell am, see wetin they happen. Abeg make he come carry Kambilichukwu clothes. Abeg make he come carry Kambilichukwu clothes and Kambilichukwu shoes. Make he go return am back. Say they no need that again. Say they say na the clothes and shoe na they destroy our son life silently. Na so Yul Edochie come take. Na so Amobingo come take call his daughter. Say make his daughter come, make he come carry cloth. Now the Daniela say they know they carry the cloth back. And the Juju Ekwesu need to return that cloth. If not, the consequences, it don't they befall his son. Now, see the gap. I always they talk on the gap. Since we can't believe you could buy. You see, they even buy that young boy, they were fighting for his clothes and shoe. Now, the clothes and shoe of Kambilichukwu, now Ekwesu Romasi Mami Water won't carry. Give his own son, make him inherit. To the extent calling our own son Kambilichukwu. These are what is happening behind closed door. These are the reason why Ekwesu Romasi Mami Water is restless. She did a lot of evil. Her hands are not clean. She did a lot of bad things when she dey pay put today. Now I make no matter what you talk, she go there do like guinea fowl where life don't tire. Because she know what she did. Now that they beg go, make they come carry clothes. Then Daniela say lie, they know they carry clothes. Did you tell them when you were packing those clothes? Did they not ask you about the clothes? So clothes will be so na don't carry go, na don't wash, so don't even tear for years. dem come collect am from una. If na that cloth wan kpai una, una go kpai. Na wetin the Daniela tell their papa. Now see how evil Ekwensu be. The same Ekwensu romance mami water wey dey use am hit chest. Say nothing dey happen. Nobody can do her anything. She will bring all of them down. Today now, all of them dey beg. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.